At first glance, this dovetail box does not look possible. If you know much about dovetails, you would know why. If not, here's an explanation. A dovetail works by having a set of pins and slots to hold the pins. Since the pins can only go in one direction, they must slide in that way. Now taking a look at the box, it's got dovetails on all sides, and since it cannot slide in another direction once it's slid in for one of the dovetails, it seems like it would be impossible to slide it on. And here's the CAD file. This here is the bottom part of the dovetail, which has the pins on it, and it is designed such that the top can slide in diagonally going across this way and have all the other parts fit in. And then here is the bottom, or the lid, and it has the slots in it as well. It's kind of hard to see, but it is at an angle, so this fits in as well. And then here's it on the assembly. You can see that when I slide this down, it can fit perfectly in there, which is the idea for the real life model. And that's the CAD file. And now, just after 7 hours of printing, I have the finished product. As you can see here, the diagonal part came out perfect. It does look like there are dovetails on all sides. And here's the other part. It's also got the angled pieces and diagonals. I also incorporated this little compartment here to store items, and it just slides together like so. It's a bit hard to put on one-handed since I'm filming with the other hand. And that is it. That is how the impossible joint or impossible dovetail works. Thanks for watching, and if you have any future ideas, please comment down below. And that is it. Goodbye.